Hey, it's Mark Weiss. A lot of physician groups are having trouble recruiting. No big surprise. First, a relative shortage of physicians in many specialties. Second, the fact that the interest that many physicians, especially many physicians, have in work-life balance, something that I don't think is the right analysis, but that's their analysis. This interferes. It makes it far more difficult for many groups to recruit and certainly retain. But on the recruiting side, groups often turn very quickly to the notion of, well, we'll make you a partner right away, or we'll make you a partner on a very accelerated timetable. So as opposed to, say, a 5-year track to partnership, well, we'll make you a partner in 2 years, or after a 180-day probation period, we'll make you an offer of partnership with a $200 buy-in. Don't laugh. I've seen zero, and I've seen slightly more than 200. But basically a no buy-in. But that might not even be the solution. That's because many physicians these days don't want to be partners. They want flexibility in their work schedule. They don't want to take call. They don't want to take weekend work. They want a different sort of a life. So the notion of becoming a partner and being all in isn't what they're looking for. Now, of course, I'm not saying that that's where everyone is, and I'm not suggesting that you design a program that assumes everyone is like that. But instead, what I think you should consider is having a buffet, having a lot of choices, having multiple ways of associating physicians with your group, whether it's as locums that you could turn to once in a while, whether it's as part-time physicians on a regular schedule, whether it's as full-time but no call, whether it's full-time with call, whether it's you'll never be a partner, whether it's you'll be immediately a partner. As long as you could find a way of scheduling those physicians, why not offer them the choice of how they want to associate with you? You're flipping the issue, the question. Do I want to work for the XYZ Medical Group? To how do I want to work with the XYZ Medical Group? Maybe that increases the odds that I, the potential recruit, will say, well, here's how I'd like to work with you, if that's possible. And if it is, look, you just made another hire.